What's up guys, see the James here at Gears Banawe in Quezon City, where we're keeping things under wraps, quite literally. Underneath here is the all-new 2025 GR Hilux. It's the latest addition to our family. But I'm not here to talk about the truck. I'm here to talk about what's covering the truck. That's right, because let's face it, a car is going to be the second biggest investment that most people will make in their entire lifetime. Some of them, it's going to be their biggest investment. So you want to protect that. For me, I deal with only the people who share my lifestyle when it comes to cars. That's why we're here at Gears Banawe, because they understand it. They're cut from the same cloth, no pun intended. And that's why they have this Fuzione brand over here. Now, what are the things that I like about it? Firstly, I like the fact that it makes use of special PAVA material. This makes it completely waterproof. It'll protect it from the UV rays, it'll protect it from bird droppings, what have you. But underneath here is a very soft cotton-like material that's very soft. This way you can rub your car like that. You're not gonna have any issue with scratching because it's designed to protect your paint. That's its one job, right? Can't fail at that. Also, I like the fact that it's universally fitted to certain vehicles. This one is the pickup one. It's cut out specifically for a pickup bed, but it's not going to be a snug fit. You don't want it to be a snug fit because then it becomes too difficult to put on and off. This one here is universal for mid-size, call it a Hilux, a Ranger, or a D-Max. Another thing I like, the double stitching over here. You notice with some car covers, it's only single stitching. It starts to fall apart, especially after it's been in the sun for a while. And speaking of the elements, one of the best things you can do, cheapest things when it comes to protecting yourself from the elements, is something that we all usually ignore. It's your windscreen wipers. That's why we're gonna fit in the Fuzione silicone wipers. Now, why is this different? Your stock wipers, they come with rubber. Well, nothing really wrong with that, but you can improve on it. Just like you would use Teflon for a non-stick finish when you're cooking your eggs and you're cooking your food, well, it's the same type of effect for rubber versus silicone. Silicone will just glide through and make sure all of that water is dispersed without any clinging. It's got a very soft feel to it. Nothing sticks to it. So that's going to protect us as the rainy season starts coming in very soon. We're already seeing some showers out there. We're going to have perfect vision. So that's it for today. Join me for another update when I come here to Gears Banawe, where we're going to gear up our rides together.